El calendari maia ho va predir.
Victims adhere to the Mayan calendar, which predicts the end of time to occur on the 21st of December of 2012.
La ciència ho ha confirmat.
You won't believe this.
I thought we'd have more time.
Però mai podríem haver imaginat
The world, as we know it, will soon come to an end.
el que realment podria passar.
It's starting.
Dels directors de Locus. Una idea original de Grup Big.
The Mayans knew about it. The Bible. It's the end of the world, my friends.
Una creació de Súmmum, Salaú i Privé.
Has become the world's largest volcano.
Daddy, what was that?
Don't look back, just look at me. Do I look scared? We gotta get to the airport. Guys, look.
Where are we going?
The government is building these ships.
Segons el calendari maia, el món s'acaba el divendres 21 de desembre de 2012, a les 12 hores i 12 minuts. Per tant, el dissabte 15 l'acabarem de puta mare. Entrada 10 euros amb dues consumicions i les consumicions a 5 euros. Súmmum, Salaú, Privé. El dissabte 15 de desembre. Locus. Apocalipsum.